there everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If it is your first time, a very lovely welcome to you. A very lovely welcome to you if you are not new here and you have already gone ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please remember, God will never leave you nor forsake you. So yes, I am back again with another hair video. This is not really a tutorial. This is just basically to tell you guys a little bit about this hair and how I achieved this look. So this is me. Actually, this hair is just installed it, say 2 days ago. I actually did the front today and no, sorry, I did the front yesterday and I finished the back today because I was trying something a little bit different, and I'll explain to you what I mean a little bit different. First, I want to show you how I achieved this hair. I am not finished. I've just done part way. So I will show you what my braiding pattern looks like at the back. So I just basically did 2 braids, one here, and I caught it up, and then I kind of used a crocheting hook and then I crocheted it. And then I just did 1 big jumbo braid because I'm different. It's even will be easier when I'm ready to take it down. This hair, how I achieved this is I've never tried this hair before. I think I paid $9.99. It was about $10, but this is what the hair looks like. So it's straight hair, and this is what it looks like. So there's 3 sections of this. I've already gone ahead and I've used 2 pieces and I cut the hair. So I cut it in half and I feather the ends of it. Then I got a curling wand and I wrapped it around here and I dipped it in hot water. After I dipped it in hot water, this is what the hair looks like. So it's a nice curl pattern right here. So what I wanted to do is to see if I could find another hair that was similar to it. And I got the Freetress Beach Curl. I don't know if it's going to be the same braiding pattern. I'm just going to go ahead and finish installing this and we'll see. It, guys. Now I know this kind of doesn't look great, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some mousse, just, you know, my regular, well, herbal essence here, and I got this from the dollar store. So I'm just gonna take a handful. In it, I actually like how it looks now. I can go ahead and flip the hair to this side or the way that it was before. So there you have it. So I didn't even use 2 packs of the hair, believe it or not. So the majority of the hair that I used was the Expression, which is a straight hair that I went ahead and I wrapped around the wand and I put it in the hot water. I used 2, so there's 3 sections that come within the Expression, the pre-layered braid, the 3X hair, and I used 2 sections of those, and then I went around and I used a bit of the beach curl, which is 18 inches, and like I said, I cut that and I used some of it. But to be honest, if you like how the curls turn out for the Expression, then I believe that could probably work. Maybe a pack would probably, you know what, no. Yeah, I believe a pack could work, or a pack and a half. So 3 plus maybe 1 could probably work. Or you could even get this look with the expression braid and just wrap it around. Or you can go ahead and use the beach curl. And how I installed it, like I said, I cut it and I sectioned this the way that it's cut. So after I cut the hair, I would divide it up. I would divide it into maybe about 4. So hence the reason why it's probably giving you like a different curl pattern. And yeah, so I'm enjoying this look. So guys, let me know what you thought of today's video, and maybe you yourself could try this look as well, and let me know in the comment section below if you will be trying this look, and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.